Welcome to the Academy for Christian Thought here in New York City. My name is Ron Chung and I shall be your guide for the Origin of Christian Beliefs seminar. Our goal is to learn the story of how Christian beliefs became church doctrines. Many beliefs were inherited, adopted, and adapted. However, others were abandoned, while some were replaced by new beliefs. Spiritual insights, economics, politics, and discoveries of the natural world all contributed to the evolution of beliefs which became doctrines. We shall trace the developments of 16 doctrines as they evolved in response to new knowledge from scientific discoveries, technological innovations, and medical advances. They include revelation, creation, man, sin and reconciliation, the Bible, God the Father, Jesus the Son, the Holy Spirit, church, sacraments, evangelism and missions, other faiths, angels and demons, heaven, hell and the afterlife, the unevangelized dead, and extraterrestrial beings. The earliest followers of Jesus had no Bible, no statement of faith or professional pastors. By the 2nd century, all the writings of the New Testament had been written. By the 4th century, Christianity was a distinct religion from Judaism. The confessions about Jesus were discussed at councils that influenced creeds. In this way, oral expressions became written statements. This is why the church became a community of the book, and writings became the most important source for faith. Today, every preacher relies on the Bible as the final authority for every sermon. We shall begin with the earliest Christian writings, the creeds, some of which predated the Bible itself. The Apostles' Creed and the Nicene Creeds of 325 and 381 continue to be the most popular ones in use to this day. This online course may be taken at any time from anywhere. If you have ever wondered how and why Christians came to believe what they do, this seminar is for you, crafted for the busy lay person. No background in theology is necessary. Join us for this exciting new learning opportunity alongside students from around the world.